The full release of Stereum 2.0 is on the horizon. The issues are mostly collected, the milestone is set, and you can keep an eye on our GitHub. If you go into our project and click on milestones here, you will find the full release milestone and the outstanding progress left until you can expect a full release of the 2.0 full version. Plenty of issues to go, especially on the staking page, as well as some additional work left for the settings and the extra functionalities that we are working on. Highlight here probably the alert function that should keep you informed and let you know what your node is struggling with, but also succeeding at. So check out the page if you want to have information in real time. You might be able to find a hidden alpha in here. In our upcoming version you will be able to install and configure MEV Boost with our one-click installation. Next goal is to finish up the custom installation, so users that already run a node can drop MEV Boost in the Edit Node page and add relays they want to make use of. We also want to try different paths to configure the MEV Boost component. With the progress made in the last few weeks, you can now also access the service by clicking the MEV Boost icon on the top. You can then select, modify and confirm the relay section. The current improvements that we are making with our custom installation are also progressing nicely. When we are done, you can add, remove and even modify your clients. A lot of our time went into fixing a number of bugs and making it run as smoothly as possible. That doesn't mean that you can't break your own node when experimenting with the custom installation, but it is now in the development version harder to do so. One of the changes that went a little bit unnoticed in the last episodes. For a while you have been able to see which version of each service you're running in the client/service settings. Also a big deal and probably will save some funds in the future is our upcoming slashing protection. This is our first step in preventing you from getting slashed when doing something risky. So you really can't go wrong when using Stereum 2.0 in the future. Note that this feature is still a work in progress and not yet implemented. Our plan so far is to implement the slashing database in the first measure and later add additional checks to harden the feature. Mainly missing now before the slashing database import can go live is an UI element to make this import optional and a way to select a path to download the slashing database to when removing a key from a node. Of course, we also fixed a lot of bugs in the last 2 weeks. For example, a problem with Bezo we ran in after a service update. And now a topic for everyone who wants to contribute to Stereum. We are currently working on the translation process of the software, and once we are done with the finalization of all the texts and descriptions inside of Stereum, we will open up the translation process to everyone and will have a reward for each completed translation. Stay tuned, though you can already reach out to us at translate@stereum.net with the language you want to translate for us. Thank you for helping us bring Stereum into your language. Yeah guys, that's it with this episode. We hope you enjoyed it and we're looking forward to you when we're again searching for what is under the surface.